Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Vulgar Penguin token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Vulgar Penguin is a Binance Smart Chain based meme coin that merges internet culture with decentralized finance, leveraging a viral penguin emoji to build a Gen Z centric community. Vulgar Penguin is a meme coin with cultural depth, using humor and decentralization to empower its community. Its success hinges on balancing irreverence with utility. Can it evolve beyond viral trends to cement its 3D penguin as a lasting crypto culture icon? Vulgar Penguin token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Vulgar Penguin token. Vulgar Penguin token is listed on Binance Alpha, L Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.